Good morning, dear children. I am Cheryl Miss. How are you? Hope all are safe. Our school has been closed from March 10th onwards due to COVID-19. So the government has told not to conduct classes from school, instead to give online classes. So from this week onwards, we will give online classes on all subjects. I will be teaching English for you. So today we will start with the first chapter. The name of this lesson is Ali and the Innkeeper. There are two sections in this story with three main characters. Ali is a poor man. Innkeeper is a very rude person, and Nasruddin Khaja, the judge. So I will tell you the summary of this lesson. On a cold winter's day, Ali was dreaming of eating a hot meal. He was very hungry. A young man gave him a loaf of bread. Ali thought that soup would make it a full meal. So he went to the nearest inn to get some soup. The innkeeper shouted at him and called him beggar. Ali kept the bread over the steam to get the flavor of the soup. The innkeeper saw that. Again he shouted at him and called him soup stealer. Ali felt very sad. He took the innkeeper to the court. The innkeeper told all the story. Nasruddin Khaja, the judge, patiently heard the story. He took out a bag of coins, shook it so that everyone could hear the clinking sound of the coins. The judge told the innkeeper the sound of the coins was in exchange for the smell of the soup. When the innkeeper heard this, he felt very sad. Nasruddin Khaja, the judge, told the court is dismissed. So now I will read you this chapter. It was a cold winter day as always. Ali was dreaming of a hot meal. So now Ali thought to himself, "Here, please take this. Bless you, good man. If only I could have a bowl of soup, then I would have a full meal." So Ali went to the nearest inn. The innkeeper was rude. "Shoo, no beggars. Move along quickly." Ali's stomach growled with hunger. "I will hold this loaf over the steam. Maybe the flavor of this delicious soup will come into the bread." The innkeeper howled in anger. "You soup stealer! Sir, I am no thief. I was only trying to capture the flavor from the steam." The cunning innkeeper suddenly had an idea. "You need to pay for the smell of the soup." So that is section 1. Next we will continue with the section 2. Angered by Ali's reply, the innkeeper dragged him to court. Nasruddin Khaja was the judge of this court. He patiently listened to the innkeeper's complaint. "Are you demanding the payment for this soup?" Nasruddin Khaja took out a bag of coins and gave it a good shake. Everyone could hear the clinking sound of the coins. All right, here is your payment. The sound of these coins in exchange for the smell of the soap. Now the court is dismissed. So here ends this short story. So I will give you some new words and little meanings for you. First of all, I will read the words. First, dreaming, bowl of soap, innkeeper, road, stomach, hunger, flavor, cunning, coat, clinking. Then here are few meanings. First one, rude, impolite. Flavor, taste. Drag, to pull. Capture, to get. Cunning, clever and dishonest. So children, you have to read this lesson, then learn the new words, write and study the spellings. So you have to take your notebook, draw double line, write the name of the lesson and write all the meanings that I have given you. In the next class, we will continue with the activities. Till then, bye.